Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. I'm constantly making these type of shapes, and I'm going to show you the difference. And I really like the new one. I've made videos on both these. So underneath your polygon flyout is your common shape, and there is a list of shapes. And this one is a somewhat of a teardrop, and you could make it wider, you can make it skinnier. You can do a lot with it just by moving it around. But you're kind of limited to that shape and not round or like these two have kind of straight edges. The other one is just use a square, rotate it 45 degrees, and with your shape tool, hold down your control button and it'll bring in this corner. If you don't hold down the shape tool, all of them will go. And then you have that shape. But to make the other shape, it's not as fast and you have to be a little more precise. But if you will take a triangle, which go to a polygon tool, I always keep mine on 6-sided, hit P to put it in the center of the page, which kind of helps a little bit, and then make it a 3-sided triangle. And there's probably a mathematical equation, and I should have done a little research, but just take an ellipse and hit P, and there would be a mathematical equation, because it's so even. But if you hold down the shift key, you can get it where it has to touch, and you have to be pretty close, and then to say I wasn't far enough. And then when you have to move something so minutely, you could make it just like 84.6. And that little bit might get you there. We're almost there. Let's leave it there and let's go 85. See, that's too much. So and you would have trouble making that adjustment. I think we're perfect. And then all you have to do is take your virtual segment delete. Whoop. So that way we know we don't have a leak, and you could use your smart fill tool. But if you go to your virtual segment delete key and delete that, then you use your smart fill tool and you have that shape. And it's quite a bit different. And you could still, play with that and make it fatter or shorter, but you're going to have these straighter sides. So you could make it fatter. You could make it squattier. But this is a good size. Anyway, a little bit of information. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.